What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering, and we are doing a really simple oil cap install on our Honda Civic Type R. All right, so as far as what's included in the kit, we have the oil cap itself, and that is gonna get an M6 flathead cap screw right there. As you can see, it's the silver part. So you're going to thread that all the way on. And then we have our oil cap adapter, which is right there. And we have an O-ring. That's already installed on mine. So you're going to have to install that, but that's very simple. Just throw it on there. As far as tools required, you're going to need a 4mm Allen wrench or a 4mm socket on a ratchet. That's it. Let's get to the install. All right, so as far as what you need to do, M6 flathead cap screws all the way in there, and we tightened it all the way into the cap. We're now going to take the adapter and we're going to thread that all the way on as tight as it can go. And again, we have the O-ring installed. The oil cap at this point, actually, before I forget, we're going to back out that center screw just a little bit. So there's a hole in there. Oh boy, oh boy. There's a hole in there, like so. And we're gonna put the Allen wrench in there and loosen it. And by loosening it, it's actually acting like a jam nut, and it basically creates the adapter and the oil cap itself as a single unit. So loosening that ensures that this won't just stay in the engine and this come off when you go to loosen it the first time. All right, so now we're at the engine bay. We're going to remove the OEM oil cap. We're going to thread ours on like so, and you're going to tighten it all the way, and then you're going to notice that the logo isn't exactly the way you want it. Maybe you want it this way, maybe you want it this way, but that's why we give you that adjustment. So we're basically going to assume that we want it this way. So we're going to take it back apart, tighten the center bolt so that the adapter can move. We're going to rotate the adapter, it's about 100 degrees. So we're going to rotate or you can rotate that. It just depends on the way you want to do it. Whatever makes sense for you, go ahead and do that way. But basically, we're going to try and get that logo to line up the way it's supposed to. All right, so basically, it only took me one shot. I held the adapter, and then I actually kind of lined it up the way it was installed on car, and then I rotated the cap, and then I put that through and loosened the flathead cap screw to jam nut them together, and there you go. The logo is on right, everything's installed, looks nice, we're happy. That's how simple the install is. All right guys, that concludes the install of our oil cap on the Civic Type R. I've got a few more installs lined up today, but if you want to see anything else designed, developed, or installed on our Civic Type R, please send us an email, sales@verus-engineering.com, comment below. We enjoy hearing feedback from you guys. I know we have a few more products, hood louver, we've got a UCW rear wing. I don't know what else we've got planned for this thing, but we're doing some stuff. Definitely doing some stuff. All right, till next time, see you guys.